Buddy, I'll just call Mike direct. Okay, he's got it ready. Bye. Bye. Back up. I'm back with you guys. Stand by. Sterling's still going. Just a couple rain fade dropouts, that's it. Still attached to the roof. Everything's fine. Oh my gosh. Uh-oh. Careful, these surges were crazy. My winds are still out of the east. My winds are about 150 sustained, at times gusts to 100, over 100. It comes in big surges. Santa Cruz, Jamaica. Santa Cruz, Jamaica. Thanks for... See how our wind sheet is? We don't flying everywhere. Oh my gosh. I hear big stuff breaking now.
Yeah, everything going.
The sheet metal's coming off. I hear like big boards breaking, snapping. People, I don't know if the NHC's put up a special update or not, doesn't matter. But based on everything I'm seeing, and people, I'm sure they're adjusting. Guys coming ashore about miles southwest. The hurricane, the center of the hurricane, the northeast eye, is going to go about 9 miles west of me. Jamaica, you're on the 78th parallel. Montego Bay, you're on the 78th parallel. It's just past the 1878 parallel. Center of the eye is just south of that. 17. If NHC hasn't made an update, it could still go to the northeast, but right now, if I'm in Montego Bay, you got to go to emergency, get down as low as possible, get in the center part of your lowest floor in the bathrooms or shelters or stairwell. If you're in condominium or high-rise buildings, go into the stairwell and get to the lowest floor and do it now. The ice is coming north. You're going to get in the 150, 200 mile an hour winds over there. Our position right here, we're just about right here on this outer, right here. The eastern eye wall is going to go maybe 5 miles west of me, maybe 8. We're going to barely miss the actual eye wall, the eye. But as the trough comes in, it can start shoving it east. It made a jog north. It can quickly start coming back to the northeast, like hard. You see how it made a big jog? Look how it's moving northeast, and it gets to 78 and it goes straight north. And at any time, it could, as the trough continues to come in, and a lot of times hurricanes don't like to move on shore. The mountains could be having something to do with it. Once it gets on shore, it may resume a hard northeast course as soon as the eye gets completely on shore in the next hour. And if it does, it'll go just to the northwest up here. It may go just over or east of Montego Bay. Still, I'll say the highest gust here so far has probably been 100, maybe a little over 100.
everything turned apart.
Huh?
Everything kept torn apart.
Yes.
Everything apart.
Yes. That's what you predicted here.
Yeah.
So let's talk about that. You told me last night,
Yeah.
I was worried about this eye, right? And then when I woke up this morning, what I say when I looked at you, I said, we went to bed, it was a Cat 5. We got up, it's a very solid Cat 5 with winds of... Can you guys see my stream? Give me a thumbs up if you can see my YouTube stream, please. Can you hear my audio? Can you see my stream? I'm back. Okay, back. Okay, I'm going to retweet it out. Stand by, I'm going to retweet it out. Okay, guys, we've had some gusts over probably 100, 125 for sure. I've got roofs up and down the street are off. The worst winds, the worst hurricane conditions now. So far, still coming in. The eye's west of me here. The eye's now straight west of me. It's heading over to Montego Bay, or just east of there as the eye comes in. It may resume a more northeasterly trajectory right now. It's moving due north. The eastern eye wall's it's west of me. Extreme rain, winds sustained at 100 at times, gust of 125. Super whiteout conditions, numerous roofs off in the immediate vicinity. The worst of the hurricanes so far is to my west, about 10 to 15 miles. Jamaica Bay, back to my west here. The northwest, north and northeast eye wall went just barely to my west. But they're gonna have catastrophic damage immediately west of my location, west of Santa Cruz, southwest of Santa Cruz, down at Black Market, down at Alligator Point, northward up to Montego Bay. That's where the catastrophic wind and extreme destruction is occurring. And if the eye does not change course and start moving back to the northeast, Montego Bay is gonna have massive destruction. Wow, a big burst coming. Starlink's still on the roof. Okay. We're getting these extreme. There's 100 plus. There's stuff flying. There's so much debris. There's mainly tree debris flying in the air everywhere. And occasionally there'll be a piece of sheet metal or wood go flying by me. Okay, it's really horrible again. Just think the main eye is about 15 miles west of me, so the damage over there is going to be like 5 times worse than it is here. They're going to have total infrastructure failure west of me, 100%. Buildings and houses going to be on the ground, collapsed, gone. West of me, 100%. I didn't even get in the eye. I'm about 10 miles roughly from the northeast, maybe about 5 to 10 miles straight west of me is the northeastern eye wall. But I'm still on the dirty side. Torrential flash flooding rains. I'm on Starlink, on X, Starlink. Starlink's still on the building. So far, I'd say winds over 125, and Starlink's still mounted. Uh-oh. The wind's changing direction. It was hard out of the northeast and east. We're definitely, uh-oh. Sheet metal's hitting our house. Debris hitting hitting the house. Bigger debris starting to fly now. Another wave. Uh-oh, I hear something coming off. There's sheet metal flying. I'm hearing popping and cracking. I gotta look at some data. Just bear with me here, guys. Let me get my data updated. Stand by. Everybody, this is from Jeff Gammons at 11:02. 5 minutes ago. This image is flashing, but it's you get the idea. There's where I'm at to my east there. See my deal, and it is west of me about 10 miles. Now it took a due north jog. And let's look at that, and it could turn around and go back to the northeast, resume a northeast trajectory as it comes on shore, which it's doing now. The North Eye wall is made. It's made landfall now. It's coming on shore. I'm trying to do this from. Okay, look what it's doing. It went northeast, due north. It's made it on shore. It's an absolute miracle that I did not hit us. The direct high here. The damage, guys, I can't explain it to you. The damage west of here, 5 miles from my location, it will be total devastation, 100%. There's no doubt about it. It's still moving up. It's passing it's on the 78 parallel, moving due north into Montego Bay. Let me do a sight there. Let me do another deal. Montego Bay. Yeah, I went over St. Elizabeth, Black River. I was there yesterday morning. We filmed this whole area down in here. We filmed everything. We filmed everything down here yesterday morning. Just in case something like this happened, and it's happened. Westmoreland, St. Elizabeth. These are high terrain areas. St. James, Montego Bay. Let's go for the 78 parallel over there. Black River, sheet metal's bouncing west of me here. Okay, let me go to the Hurricane Center. I want to see if they put out any special advisories. Okay, let me look at Hurricane. Give me 1 second here. That was the last deal. Okay, it's fine. Hurricane Center. There's another special. 12 noon. Eyes approaching the southeast coast. Stay in shelter. Extremely dangerous, life-threatening hurricane at 12 noon. This PM Eastern. That was 10 minutes ago. We're standard time here. A rapid increase on the side of the eye. Residents should remain in place. Life-threatening conditions. Protect your home from wind. Yes. Outside interior rooms. Stay away from windows. Yes. Stay away from all windows, doors. Watch for the trees falling. The next update will be at 1 p.m. Pressure 892 millibars. Pressure 2634 inches. Winds 185 miles an hour. I've only had gusts maybe 120 over here. Okay. We've got a new update. That's old. Okay. I'm gonna change from IR. Let's go to Viz. I'm 100% on Starlink. Stand by. Oh my gosh. Stand by. Look at the last shot. Look at that thing going right up the 78th parallel due north. Oh my gosh. That's absolutely incredible. Montego Bay, watch out. Yep. Go. Uh-oh. I got debris coming around the house. Everything's flying. Trees breaking next door. Roof's coming off. Nice. I went to super extreme now. Another big burst. What's going to happen is the wind are so focused out east. When they snap to the southeast, we're going to have massive damage. That's when everything peels off. When you go from one steady stream and then you what we call it in the hurricane chasing is snap to the southeast or south-southwest. When we snap to the southeast, it'll be a big massive wind surge. Some of these are concrete, that's solid concrete. That's wood over there. We hadn't had those sustained 150 yet. We may not. Yes, I'm in Santa Cruz, Santa, S-A-N-T-A, C-R-U-Z. I believe that's right, maybe an S in there. Jamaica. I'm just to the east of the wall, of the eye wall, maybe 8-10 miles. Those things are that's about to snap. Each surge, each wind surge is getting worse. It'll be bad for like a minute, 2 minutes, and then it backs off, and then it's this massive surge again. The rain is relentless, just torrential rainfall. I can't tell you how lucky we are we didn't get ran over by the eye. I'm hearing bigger pieces hit my roof. Okay, another big surge. Sorry. I know, guys, I'm trying to get the rain here, guys. It's millions of gallons of water falling. It's spray, there's spray everywhere. It's nonstop. The super destructive winds, 150 to 200, are west of me about 10 miles. Roughly 10 miles west of me, 150 to 200 mile winds. And that north and northeast outer wall is immediately west of me, west-southwest of me. We're still going to have massive damage here. From Santa Cruz, Jamaica, just to the northeast of the eye, and landfall back by southwest. We got Starlink going. It's still hanging on to the brook. Okay, 100 plus now. Gosh, I can feel the ground is vibrating. It's vibrating because all the trees in the rumble, the trees and telephone poles are shaking, and the ground's vibrating. There's a family across the street with a 2-year-old. As soon as the hurricane dies down, we're going to go check on them. I think in the bathroom and shelter. Yeah, Starlink still working, still on. Kudos to Starlink. Cat 5, and it's still going. But we haven't had Cat 5 winds here. But it's not far off. Okay. We're getting larger and larger things flying. They're things snapping and breaking near me now. The intensity of the things breaking is picking up. They're bigger objects breaking out. They are. I just hear them. There's trees just broke about 50 feet. I see a tree just got uprooted. Two doors down. A tree just got uprooted. That's the plane. Jeff Gavin sent me a new update. Jeff Gavin's rocket fire. Yeah, there he is. There's a new update from Jeff Gavin's. What an incredible sight, guys. Whoa, whoa, whoa. The eye is straight. The center of the eye looks, vortex is almost due west of me now. There it is. It's straight west of me. You can see my little dot. It's on the right. Thank you, Jeff, for sending those clips. Jeff Gavin's out of Okeechobee, Florida. No, we don't have an earthquake here. When you have a major landfalling hurricane, especially where you got the soils here, as the trees and the telephone poles vibrate, it sends out a harmonic sound, and the Richter scales will measure that vibration. It's very common. It's not unusual. When the Joplin F5 went through Joplin, the size of the meter 15 miles away, measured it on the size of the meter. You watch it bounce up and down because it's pulling debris. It's pulling trees out of the ground, and it vibrates the ground, and it gets pressure on the Richter scale. Same thing. I guarantee if you go check the Richter scales in around Jamaica right now, you're going to see vibrations that are not